I've been dabbling in woodworking since high school. Nothing that real serious, but now since I've got a shop, I can get into it more and more. I've tried all kinds of clamps over the years. These Jorgensen clamps are the best I've ever held in my hand. They'll do several things. You can configure them like this, or like this, of course, or okay. Now I can move that from that end, this one from this end. These are just sticking down out of the way. That's 53 inches. I just bought these two last night at Lowe's. I think they were $39, and these are heavy. These are heavier than anything I've ever had. They're 600-pound clamps. So 24 inches each, or 53 together. I really like them. I've had them blue clamps. Most of them ended up in the trash. I could tighten up on them with one hand and break them. So, to each his own. Pay attention. I have a name change for the channel coming up. Hopefully this weekend, if I get some videos ready to publish. Debbie and I've been very busy in the shop. So, y'all take care, and I hope everybody is healthy.